Hello, hello, hello. I got the frying chicken, the leg quarters, right here, bag of leg quarters. I took out this morning. What I like to do is, I like to clean them, cut them up, and separate them, put them in freezer bags. I got the water running, so some of them is thawed out. Some of them not all the way thawed out. Ooh, I thought they would be. Good gracious. But not. So, I don't know, y'all. Got a bag so you put a bag in there. Happy Thursday! Yeah. Let me pour it down a little bit. I thought they would have been thawed out. I took them out. I should have took them out last night. Wow. I thought they'd be. At least I got 5 are loose. It's still kind of frozen. Not bad. I don't know. This one don't even look right. Look, this one is like. Check this out, y'all. Look at that. I don't know. Excuse me, what happened to this one? Part of the leg broke. I'm about to say that one for some chicken and rice, I guess. I keep saying I'm gonna cook, throw some of these on the grill. I am. But I did get some baby back ribs. And then I'm gonna throw some of them on the grill, some leg quarters, some burgers or something like that. So I took these out too late. That's okay. Eat the rest of that lasagna. My husband saw me taking out this chicken. Now he talking about he want to fry some chicken. Hey. He said he want to fry some chicken. Let him do that. He's gonna clean these up. That's what he want to do. I said he welcome to it. I had cooked enough. I said I was not cooking today. And guess what? I ain't finna stop him if he wanna cook. I ain't finna stop him. Now he can cook too now. He is a chef. He can cook. He can throw down. turn this off a little bit so y'all can hear, at least hear me. Y'all probably can hear me now, all that water. Oh, boy. Yeah. There's another broke one. What did they do to my chicken, y'all? Look at that. Look at that leg. What they doing to my chicken? Breaking my chicken legs. What we gonna do with them, y'all? That ain't right. I want it all together. He just... Look at that. Take this bag back and tell them they messed up my chicken legs. I don't appreciate that. I don't appreciate it. So I don't appreciate that. Pay attention to what I'm doing here. Okay. It's giving us any old thing now. Any old little thing. What's that? Say that one. Like that one. I don't like that one bit. Okay, where's the other thigh? Make sure it's good and clean here. The rest of them I'm gonna have to let sit in the water because it's not all the way. I just knew I was gonna get these done and put them in the freezer bag, but I ain't got no special time to get them in there though. I said, well, I'm gonna do these and do me a little video. Me cleaning and cutting up my leg quarters and packing them, and they ain't even all the way done. That's all right. That is okay. That's okay. Okay. You can fry those up. That'll be all right. Some of these throw out, and these out of here, but I don't know, already clean. Put them in the. I'm gonna take these out tonight. Is it still light out? Still should be a little early to take this out. I can always freeze and take it out, and I want to put this in the trash. You smell it. Okay. Sit a little bit so these can thaw out and I can finish this later. So I thought I was going to get down to business. That's all right. Boy. Man, I'm making a mess. All right. Now, I got a few pieces. You probably like that mint no way, so I got a few pieces you can fry. I'm still full. So these will be okay for the ones with the, it's all broken up. I'm gonna save them for either some chicken or rice or some soup. Okay, this breaking up. All right. That's broken up. We're getting somewhere, y'all. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. This water, I'll change it. Okay. We are getting somewhere. What do you guys do today? I did go out and get me a little fresh air today. What? Hey, what's nice out? Pretty cool where I went. It was cool. It wasn't hot. Pretty cool out. Thank God for that. But we can have some hot ones. I guess because I went early. Went out early. It's cold water warm. Got the cold water on and it's warm. Turn that off a bit. Gonna be noisy, y'all. Okay. Let it run some. Now the rest of this will have to be unfolded. I got a few pieces out. Just a few. Get my freezer bag. Once I cut and clean these, I'm going to go ahead and put these in a freezer bag. That's what I'm going to do with these. These are good. And I don't know what you want to call this one. Look at this. I don't know what to call that one. Okay. And some of these, they're so big too. They're so big. Good gracious. Now I used to like to keep the leg quarters whole, put them on the grill, but these things are too big. These too big right here. I'm gonna cut this one. Because you know the thighs cook fast. I mean, the legs cook faster than the thighs. And you put the whole thing on, you be thinking, done, this thing's too big. Now if they were a little smaller, and this one is a little smaller. They ain't big as that other one. That other one is huge. Like a brontosaurus or something. Oh, it's a big one. Okay. So I'll clean up out of here. I was looking at something and this person was saying that some of the chicken be already clean. That chicken don't be already clean when you get out the store. You gotta clean your chicken. Look at all this mess. You gotta clean the chicken. You have to clean your chicken. You may cut it up and rinse it off, but they don't clean the chicken now. No. Just like with the chicken wings. A lot of times they still have the feather stuff on. You gotta get that off of there. So here, that in there. These weren't bad though. It wasn't bad. Wasn't bad at all. I don't like a lot of fat on mine either, so. Now, you're not gonna get all the fat off, but I don't want. Okay. I'm almost done. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. This got too much. Got a lot on it. Not on there. Got a lot. Okay. These are here gonna take a minute. Yeah. Okay. I got a bowl and like a little thing to catch everything, so don't think it's going down. I got everything, stuff to catch it. And I got a bowl for the big stuff right here. And I also got a bag to put everything in. That's what I got here. These gonna have to sit for a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. Okay. A little bit longer. Get that on out of here. All right. I think these big ones, the real big ones, I'm not going to cut these up, but I am going to clean them. Real big ones here. The other one. We're going to clean them real good. I got a lot of fat on it. I am going to keep them whole. Just like 4 big ones, 5. I'm going to keep whole. Yeah. Got that side. Get it clean there. Clean. I'm almost done. That one. I'm going to check these over again. That's it. Another big one. It's pretty big. Pretty big. Okay, sorry for the noise. Okay. So all those fit in there. Here. Yeah, I'm going to rinse the other one. Okay. So this here out of here. And rinse these off. This over here. Why can't get all the air out? All right. Get these. These off again. Usually, that one bag, I usually get at least 3 bags. If I mean not cutting up the other ones, it's gonna be like about 2 bags. That's about 2. And pretty big pieces too. Pretty big pieces. So, do a lot of meals. I only cook for 2 anyway, so. Do baked chicken, barbecue chicken, fried chicken, stewed chicken, rotisserie chicken, however way you want it. Okay. So here, I'll clean my sink out. Take this over here first. Set the chicken over here. I'm gonna put these in the freezer. Set this out the way first. Alright. Everything cleaned up here. I'm also trying not to get any on it. Right. Okay. Alrighty. Got the chicken all nice and clean. There you have it. Get clean. Take your all bleach down. And that's it. Got washed and cleaned and cut up and bagged up. Our leg quarters. Separate them. Put them in the freezer bags. I'll put them in the freezer. Every time I frying a few pieces up. And that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Didn't take too long, did it? Didn't take too long. Enjoy the rest of your evening. God bless.